Hey guys, what's up? Enchant here, and today we are going to be unboxing the new Dr. Otto Octavius, aka Dr. Octopus Lego. So we are going to be creating him. So this might be a quick video, so I'm pretty good at Lego, so let's get started. So I'm pretty sure we're supposed to put this like over here. Wait a second. I'm gonna do this off cam. There we go. First tentacle done. Okay, let's try. So you can literally like move anywhere, like literally. Second. Hey. Alright, nice. Nice. Okay. Brother. I'm gonna do a little bit of off cam. Okay, so this video might be like only like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or like something, cause I'm pretty good at Legos, guys. I mentioned it one more time. I'm really, God dang it. Oh, okay. Hey, yo, what the? Oh my goodness. Okay, so we are done with this. We're done with this, I see. So now we just have to create his body. Wait a second. Okay, so we're gonna have to do it like this, right? Now it's connected to his body, but not yet. Now we can put his head. There we go. And then don't forget his hair. You can't just be bald, bruh. What the? Alright, so now our Dr. Otto Octavius, Dr. Octopus is done. Now I'm gonna show you guys how you know, how to make it stand up. So I'll just do it like this real quick. Wait, I might have to do this real quick. Do this, and then do that. Being one. Oh God, this broke. The frick, bro. Ah! Guys, I think I have to do it a little off cam, so. Gosh. Okay, there we go. Just kidding, I didn't have to do it off cam. Okay, being like up. Okay, bing, bing. There we go. And that's how you make it stand up. Now, of course, I have many more Legos. I'm gonna show them, but not all of them. I have Spider-Man right here. And then you could do it. Yeah, so that's the end for this video, guys. Goodbye.